Top 5 Best Budget Gaming PC. Gaming can be an expensive hobby, but getting a high-performance gaming PC doesn't always mean breaking the bank. With so many options available, you can find a budget-friendly setup that delivers smooth gameplay, quick load times, and stunning graphics. Ace Magician Ryzen Mini Gaming PC. The Ace Magician Ryzen Mini Gaming PC is a compact powerhouse that punches above its weight in performance, especially for gamers who need an affordable and space-saving solution. Equipped with a Ryzen 5 5600U processor, this mini PC provides a solid foundation for running most games smoothly, along with multitasking capabilities for work or streaming. Its compact size makes it ideal for small desks, gaming setups with limited space, or even as a portable PC for on-the-go gaming. Despite its size, the Ace Magician Mini PC is packed with plenty of power. The Ryzen 5 chip is paired with integrated Radeon graphics, which handles graphics-intensive games quite well for its price range. It can tackle popular esports titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Valorant on medium settings without skipping a beat. And with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, load times are fast, allowing for quick transitions between games, apps, and even streaming content. The Ace Magician's design also allows for a low noise and low heat experience, thanks to its efficient cooling system. This mini PC not only keeps up with your gaming needs but is also versatile enough for video editing, productivity, and streaming. It's a great all-in-one option for budget-conscious gamers who need a powerful, portable, and quiet solution. Thermaltake LCGS Quartz F460R4 Gaming PC. The Thermaltake LCGS Quartz F460R4 Gaming PC is a stylish and high-performing option in the budget gaming PC range. With a powerful Intel Core i5 processor and an NVIDIA DDA GeForce GTX 1660 Super Graphics card, this machine is designed to deliver smooth and reliable performance for gaming at 1080. Whether you're playing RPGs, shooters, or MOBAs, the Quartz F460 offers an impressive visual experience with high frame rates, making it one of the best choices for budget-conscious gamers who want strong, reliable hardware. One of the highlights of this PC is its striking RGB lighting, housed in a sleek tempered glass case. Not only does this setup provide solid gaming performance, but it also looks great in any room. The Quartz F460's aesthetics are matched by an efficient cooling system that keeps temperatures down during extended gaming sessions. The PC's design prioritizes airflow, ensuring that it remains cool and quiet even under heavy loads. Another advantage of the Thermaltake LCGS Quartz F460R4 is its upgrade-friendly design. With room for additional RAM, storage, and even a GPU upgrade down the line, this PC offers flexibility as your gaming needs grow. For gamers looking for performance, style, and future-proofing, the Quartz F460R4 is a fantastic choice. Skytech Nebula Gaming PC. The Skytech Nebula Gaming PC combines great specs with affordability, making it a favorite among budget gamers. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU and a GTX 1650 graphics card, the Nebula is well suited for 1080 gaming with smooth frame rates on medium to high settings in most popular titles. Its specs make it ideal for games like Call of Duty, Warzone, Fortnite, and League of Legends, delivering a consistent and enjoyable gaming experience. One of the standout features of the Skytech Nebula is its clean design, complete with RGB lighting and a tempered glass side panel, giving it a sleek look that rivals more expensive models. This PC isn't just about looks, though. It's also designed for excellent airflow. With multiple fans and a well-ventilated chassis, the Nebula ensures that your system stays cool, even during marathon gaming sessions. Take your creative projects to a new level with GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, delivering artificial intelligence acceleration in top creative apps. Whether you're rendering complex 3D scenes, editing 4K video, or live streaming with the best encoding and image quality, GeForce RTX GPUs give you the performance to create your best. The efficient cooling helps maintain performance and extends the life of the components, which is essential for budget gaming PCs. Skytech also ensures easy setup and future expandability. The Nebula comes ready to go out of the box with Windows pre-installed, and it has room for additional upgrades should you want to boost its capabilities later. It's an excellent choice for entry-level gamers who need a strong, versatile, and visually appealing system. CyberPower PC Gamer Master Gaming PC. The CyberPower PC Gamer Master Gaming PC brings a solid combination of power, value, and reliability. This PC is powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 processor and AMD Radeon graphics, which together handle a variety of games on medium to high settings at 1080p. Known for its reliable builds, CyberPower PC delivers a machine that's designed for gamers who want smooth gameplay without a steep price tag. CyberPower PC's Gamer Master model includes multiple connectivity options and plenty of USB ports, making it easy to connect peripherals, controllers, and other devices. The case design also stands out, featuring a clean, modern look with RGB lighting and a side panel that showcases the interior components. This PC also has solid cooling, with fans strategically placed to maintain an optimal temperature, even when playing demanding games or streaming. An additional perk of the CyberPower PC Gamer Master is the company's customer support and warranty. The Ryzen 5 CPU is the core of the series, with fast processing speeds and up to 6 cores/12 threads for effortless multitasking. The Gamer Master also includes the latest AMD Radeon or NVIDIA's GeForce series of graphics cards to deliver high frame rates and impeccable image quality in the newest PC games. Known for good post-purchase support, CyberPower PC offers peace of mind for those who may be new to PC gaming. With performance, style, and support, the Gamer Master model is ideal for gamers seeking a budget-friendly setup with solid performance and longevity. STG Auburn Gaming PC. The STG Auburn Gaming PC is a strong contender in the budget gaming PC market, with a focus on delivering great performance without a premium price. Equipped with an Intel Core i3 processor and a GTX 1050 Ti graphics card, the Auburn handles 1080p gaming with ease, making it suitable for both esports titles and a variety of AAA games on medium settings. This is a fantastic choice for those looking to enter the world of PC gaming without making a large investment. The design of the STG Auburn PC is sleek and compact, fitting into most setups seamlessly. It's built with an efficient cooling system, utilizing multiple fans to maintain optimal temperatures and reduce noise. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Auburn doesn't compromise on quality, offering stable performance that lets gamers enjoy smooth gameplay even during longer sessions. Come with 512G SSD for your rapid speed, supports faster boot speed and faster storage rates, so that you can store more games, photos, music, and movies. With 8 GB of RAM and a fast SSD for quick load times, the Auburn provides a great balance of performance and efficiency. Another benefit of the STG Auburn Gaming PC is its upgradability. The chassis is equipped with 6 RGB high-volume fans, and the maximum wind pressure of 2.7 at 20 can effectively reduce the ambient temperature in the chassis, thereby effectively assisting the cooling of the original components, such as the CPU and graphics card, bringing you a better gaming experience. It's built with future expansion in mind, so as your gaming needs evolve, you can easily add more RAM or upgrade the graphics card to enhance performance. The Auburn is a great entry-level PC that combines accessibility, durability, and upgrade potential, making it ideal for anyone new to PC gaming. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.